Happy beauty tip Tuesday, Bella Babes. So today I'm going to show you guys a few of my favorite products to use for brighter eyes. Our first product is the eye definer in Frost. I love to use it in my waterline. It helps to just brighten up the eyes and open them up so much. Next is our Perfecting Concealer. Not only is it great for under the eyes to highlight, but it's also great used all over the face. You can even contour with the darker shades. I love to use mine on the base of my eyelid just to make my eyeshadow pop. So I'll put this on and then put shadow on top. And last but not least is brows. Just a nice brow product will give a nice eye lift. So using brow pencil followed by brow shaper is amazing. Thanks so much for tuning in today, Bella Babes. If you have any questions, drop them below and have a great day.